Hi, this is Bill Shields with Interstates. Today I want to talk to you about the advantages of close-coupled substations. First, let me define what a close-coupled substation is. It's basically a combination of different types of equipment, medium voltage, transformers, and low voltage distribution. That could be either 480 volt or maybe medium voltage, low voltage distribution, combined together in a common package, close-coupled design, bolted together, provided by a common vendor or a single vendor. So what's the advantage of a close-coupled substation? Well, the biggest advantage is cost, really more on the installation side. And what I mean by installation is when you start thinking about the cabling, when you separate these pieces of equipment, you have the primary switch someplace, a transformer in a different location, and the secondary low voltage equipment in a different location, and you have to cable, sometimes underground, from one point to the other, from the transformer to the low voltage. The cable cost and the excavation cost can be quite expensive, particularly if you have a large transformer, and those secondary cables can be extremely expensive when you start talking about any length of distance. Additionally, those long cable runs are a future exposure risk to failure, either from future excavation or just being underground and exposed to the elements. Close coupled designs also provides a one vendor solution, which is an advantage because that one vendor is providing all the guidance for the interconnection, the simplification from a design standpoint, and the overall installation process. It's a much smaller footprint when you look at the overall combined space required when you have a substation that's separated in 3 different locations. It's also just an overall cleaner design, and it's much easier to leverage and implement different technologies that can allow you to reduce arc flash energy and just provide overall better circuit protection. And the other advantage is it provides operational efficiency when it comes to simplification of procedures on lockout, tagout, as well as just normal switching procedures. So the next time you're thinking about installing a new substation, I would suggest, or at least encourage you to think about a close coupled design substation. Thanks for your time.